name is Maureen, and I'm going to introduce you to an all-new fantastic product that you'll want to have in your life. Upgrade your culinary experience today with our Ultrean air fryer. Ultrean air fryer should be your #1 choice if you want to cook food with no or less oil. With its advanced heat coil and rapid air technology, cooking hot, crunchy, and tasty food with less grease is now possible. No need to deep fry your french fries, chicken, and other meat or snacks using unhealthy oil. No need to bear with hot oil splattering all over you, unlike traditional cooking. You can now roast, bake, and fry foods with a few clicks and turns. Set the unit for cooking, turn the food over, and once done, then your food is ready to serve. It comes with a detachable and easy to clean basket and oil filter plate. Our 4.2 quart air fryer comes in different attractive colors: white, green, red, and the classic black. With its contemporary and sleek design, it's perfect to be given as a gift. It complements any modern kitchen. Ultrean air fryer brings you a brand new kitchen experience and a healthy life.